Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Genetics Lessons, and today we are going to talk about scientific notation on calculator. On some calculators you can get a number that looks something like this, and some of you may be confused what this means. So take a look. We have three parts here. This is the first part, so this number would equal to 1.8004. E here stands for the base 10, so times 10, and 94 here stand for the exponent, so exponent 94. Exponent is positive. This plus sign means that exponent is positive. If we would see here negative sign, that means negative 94. Let's do a couple more examples. 6 would stand for the number, which is 6. E is going to stand for the base, which is 10, and positive 5 means positive exponent 5. So all this is going to equal to 6 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 and times 10. So this is going to be 6 with 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 600,000. Let's work on the second example. So this number would equal to 3.12. E stands for the base, which is always 10, and exponent is 4. So this number is going to equal to 3.12 times 10 times 10 times 10 and times 10. So we are going to get 312. We already moved this decimal point 2 places to the right, so 1, 2, and we need to move 2 places more. Let's add 2 zeros here. Our number is going to be 31,200. Just want to bring to your attention again that we can use positive sign, but we also can exclude the sign if we are going to get 6e 5. And this is going to be the same as 6e plus 5. But if we use negative exponent, then we always should put minus here. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.